From Kirana store to the local distributor, from startup to family businesses, SMEs are the heartbeat of Bharat. But growth isn't easy. Invoices delayed, payments uncertain, accounts mismatched. Work is scattered, slow, stressful. SMEs need more than hard work. They need technology that's simple, trusted and secure. Built for Bharat. For decades, Tally has been the technology fabric, providing SMEs with a connected platform, simplifying business, ensuring compliance, integrating banking and much more. With NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited, Tally joins Bharat Connect for business, unlocking a connected Bharat. With TallyPrime on Bharat Connect, your systems finally speak the same language. When a seller sends an invoice, it instantly appears in buyer's system. Purchase entries are auto-created with pre-filled details. All you need to do is pick a pending invoice, create payment, adjust if needed, and process transaction right within TallyPrime. The seller gets instant confirmation. Receipts are auto-recorded and books stay reconciled in real time. Flexibility at the core, simplicity in every step, built the Bharat way for business enterprises. This is Connected Bharat, where everything tallies and businesses thrive.